This is the ninth part of our 4.2 to serve with love. So open your books, page number 182, second paragraph. From here we are going to start today. Now listen carefully. Things now moved quickly into gear. So after Mr. Florin, the principal of that school, after finishing of principal's speech, address, the things of that program, of that event, of that council moved very quickly. First, Miss Joseph stood up and gave a short explanation of her council's purpose and its activities. Now, after finishing Mr. Florin's speech address, there was a girl student, Miss Joseph. She stood up from her seat, and after that she gave short explanation and told everyone what is the main purpose, what is the main aim of this council, and what are the activities are going to happen in this council. Each class would report through its representatives. So, every class had selected their representative, and through their representatives they were going to present a report of that particular class. On the studies pursued. Pursued, it means, look at the board. This is for the 12th class, subject English. Pursuit. It means followed, to get something. Pursuit during the half year which began after Easter. So what is the Easter? Look at here. Easter, it is a festival. The festival of Christ. Christ, it means Jesus Christ. Christ resurrection. So what is the meaning of resurrection? Look at here. It means restore to life. On the study pursued during the half year which began after Easter. So there was a festival which was celebrated hugely in England, in Britain, and that is Easter. Easter, this day, this festival is celebrated for Jesus Christ resurrection. It means Jesus Christ came to be alive after death at this particular day. Therefore, this particular day is celebrated as Easter. And here we are getting information on the study pursued during the half year which began after Easter. So after Easter festival, whatever the educational activities happen in that particular class, those particular activities, those particular lectures, their knowledge, whatever they have got, these representatives of that particular class going to represent here. A representative having been chosen for each subject. So from every class, For every subject, each one representative was selected. For example, for English, a particular representative; for Marathi, a particular representative; for history, a particular representative. In this way, in every class, they had selected each representative for each subject. When all the classes had completed their reports, a panel. Panel, it means, look at the board. Panel, it means a small group of people brought together to investigate or decide upon a particular matter. When all the classes had completed their reports, a panel of teachers would be invited to occupy. Occupy, it means take control of the stage and answer questions from the body of the hall on matters arising out of the various reports. So, when all the representative of those classes completed their reports, after that a panel, a group of teachers invited on the stage. Why? After presenting reports of those classes, there are many questions arised in the heart, in the mind of the peoples, the audience who were sat in that conference hall. So, to give answer of those questions, this panel was selected, and this panel after that was invited on the stage. The selection of the panel, as with everything else, was entirely it means completely at the discretion it means the freedom to decide what should be done in a particular situation of the children, and no members of the staff knew either how many or which teacher would be invited to sit. So here we are getting information. The selection of the panel, as with everything else, was entirely at the discretion of the children. So there was the right to select panel was given to the children, because that program was completely, entirely handled by, arranged by those students. Therefore, no student knows who is selected in this panel, who is not, and how many members are in that panel and how many are not. Nobody knows about it, only that student council knew about it. The reports began with the lowest and youngest class first. So first, that panel started to give explanation from the lowest class. These were mainly 12-year-olds who had joined the school the previous summer, and this first youngest class of that school, those students nearly 12 years old, and they were just recently admitted, enrolled in that school in the last summer. Most of them were shy and rather it means little bit. Rather frightened it means filled with a sudden fear or trouble and standing up before the entire school, but nevertheless they managed it creditably. Creditably means creditably it means the quality of being creditable. So what is the meaning of creditable? Look at here. Creditable it means able to be believed. So most of the representative from the lowest class, they were newly enrolled, admitted in that school, and therefore they were little bit frightened. There was sudden fear in their mind, in their heart, and somehow they stand on the stage and gave representation of the report of that particular class. But even though, nevertheless, they managed their creditability. It means whatever their class teacher believed in those representative, they managed to make their teacher, their class teacher proud, because their class teacher shown believe in them that they could go on the stage and talk or represent the report. They had been newly introduced to the difficulties of seeking. Seeking it means finding out. They had been newly introduced to the difficulties of seeking information for themselves. So their report was understandably rather short. Understandably. It means expected to be expected naturally. So these students from the lowest class, these students just enrolled in that school and they didn't know how to seek, how to find out any information for a particular report presentation, and therefore they are new for this kind of difficulty. What difficulty? Finding out information to present a report. So all the teachers and all the students in that council, in that audience could understand these students' problem, their age, their capabilities. So here today we are going to stop. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.